Hi, I'm Jamie Stewart, president of Mega Media Factory, and today we're going to take a look at a brand new AVoIP product from our friends at Lumens. Here, I have a brand new, just released AVoIP product, the OIP series of Encoders, Decoders, and Controller. Lumens is a global manufacturer of industry-leading digital imaging products for house of worship, corporate, education, government, and medical. And I'm so excited to take a few minutes to look at one of their newest products. With the introduction of the OIP-40 and 50 series, now you can easily and affordably transmit up to 4K audio and video across standard 1 gig Ethernet. Before we get into the system, let's take a look at what AVoIP is, why you need it, and what you can do with it. AVoIP allows for the transmission of high-quality video over standard Ethernet. This allows for distributing video anywhere on your network, whether within a few feet or at long distances. Standard video cables like HDMI have a finite maximum cable length and are sometimes big and bulky. The advantage of using an AVoIP system is that you can easily connect a single video source to one or many displays within your facility. The biggest benefit is that you can matrix switch any source to any destination. This allows for unlimited flexibility in routing your AV signals. This makes AVoIP perfect for applications for corporate meeting rooms, educational classrooms, medical facilities, command and control, hospitality, and even digital signage. Let's take a closer look at the Lumens OIP-D50 series. The OIP, or over IP, system consists of encoders, decoders, a controller, and a network switch. The entire system is powered with PoE, or Power over Ethernet, making installation simple and easy. The first thing I noticed was the size and build quality. Each unit feels sturdy and well constructed with powder-coated metal. The size and shape makes it easy to use them really anywhere. The encoders are easily mounted near any video source, and the decoders are easily mounted behind any display. The entire system is managed with a controller with a simple web GUI, or my personal preference is a USB touchscreen monitor. An encoder is needed for each video source, and a decoder is needed for each video destination. Simply connect the encoders, decoders, and controller to your network switch, connect your source and displays, and you're up and running. I found the initial configuration and setup simple and easy. Using the touchscreen, I was able to easily select my sources and destinations. Here's what I love about this product. It's simple. It did not require much configuration, and it just worked. I found the video quality to be excellent with no visible or audible loss of quality. I found the latency to be extremely low, making this product great for live applications. I was also extremely surprised to see that it supports video walls, eliminating the need for expensive video wall processors. Another surprise was the decoder's scaling output, allowing you to use a 4K source with both HD and 4K displays. My personal favorite is the macros, allowing me to easily build a complicated system and quickly recall that anytime. Another nice feature is the ability to use these in a KVM setup with the onboard USB ports. IR and RS-232 signals are also supported, allowing for easy control of your AV system. This system is perfect for distributing live TV signals in restaurants, bars, casinos, and arenas, sending video to multiple displays in an educational environment, distributing live video, slides, and lyrics for house of worship, in medical settings like surgery suites, and even as an extension to digital signage systems. The applications are really endless. As with all Lumens products, you won't be disappointed with the quality of the audio and video, the quality of the product itself, and the ease of setup and operation. In a future video, we'll review how to set up and configure your over IP system. If you'd like to learn more about the Lumens AVoIP systems or to purchase, visit us online at megamediafactory.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.